Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling the word interoperability. This one might sound a bit challenging, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is interoperability. First we have in, which sounds just like the word in. Next, ter, which sounds like tier without the A. Then op, which sounds like op in option. After that, where the E is soft, just like in the word her. Now, which is a soft sound, almost like the U in but. Then bill, which rhymes with pill. Next is I, pronounced like E, as in see. Finally, T, which sounds like tea. Let's put it all together slowly. Interoperability. Try repeating after me. Interoperability. Now, a little faster. Interoperability. And at full speed, interoperability. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will come easily to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Interoperability refers to the ability of different systems, devices, or software to work together seamlessly, exchanging information and functioning as intended. It's a key concept in fields like technology, healthcare, and communications. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce interoperability and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.